Aviation This Week is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story. Bombardier confirms discussions with Mitsubishi around CRJ. Then DDC reaches a commercial agreement with Air Canada Cargo, and KLM to help develop Flying V concept.
Hey everybody, Stan here. Everyone at Lavero Aviation are huge Raptors fans, and we wanted to tell the world the best way that we know how by putting it on our airplane. So everywhere we go, whether it's on the ground or up in the skies, we wanted to tell everyone how proud we are of the Raptors. Go Raptors.
Bombardier on June 5th released a statement to confirm media reports that it is engaged in talks around Mitsubishi Heavy Industries purchasing the CRJ program. Bombardier had previously stated it would explore strategic options for the CRJ series aircraft, noting in its June 5th statement that further review and analysis by management and approval by board are required before any such agreement can be reached, and that there is no assurance any discussions with Mitsubishi will lead to an agreement. The Bombardier CRJ-100 was introduced in 1992 with launch customer Lufthansa, becoming Canada's first civil jet airliner to enter service. The initial CRJ concept was to stretch a build of the Challenger 600. The 50-seat CRJ-100 and 200 were quickly adopted by regional airlines. Today, Bombardier describes the CRJ program as the world's most successful family of regional aircraft with more than 1,900 regional jets in service, with more than 120 operators in 90 countries. A CRJ series aircraft takes off or lands every 5 seconds. Drone Delivery Canada, DDC, entered into a 10-year agreement with Air Canada, whereby Air Canada Cargo will market and sell DDC's drone delivery services in Canada. Subject to DDC obtaining the required regulatory approvals, the company states it will build and operate up to 150,000 drone delivery routes in Canada. These routes will include timetables, flight schedules, payload capacities, types of drones, and payment terms. As part of the agreement, DDC explains Air Canada Cargo will not use or engage with any other drone delivery service providers over the term. DDC states the agreement supports its efforts to become Canada's first national drone cargo solution, with plans to pursue larger markets in the United States and Europe. In February 2019, DDC unveiled a model of its Condor drone, expected to have a payload capacity of 180 kilograms and a travel distance of up to 200 kilometers. KLM Royal Dutch Airlines and the Faculty of Aerospace Engineering at Delft University in the Netherlands signed a cooperative agreement to collaborate on the Flying V concept aircraft. Based on TU Delft's research into this new aircraft design, KLM compares the potential it sees in the Flying V to the Airbus A350, particularly in terms of leveraging existing airport infrastructure by wingspan. KLM explains the Flying V will also carry the same number of passengers as the A350, 314 in standard configuration, and the same volume of cargo, 160 meters cubed. The aircraft's V-shaped design integrates the passenger cabin, cargo hold, and fuel tanks in the wings. KLM states the improved aerodynamic shape of the Flying V and reduced weight means it would use 20% less fuel than the A350. A flying scale model and a full-size section of the interior of the Flying V is scheduled to be presented at KLM's Experience Days event in Amsterdam this October, which will also mark KLM's 100th anniversary. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider.